Hello and welcome to the second video of the SQL for Beginners lecture series. Okay, so first we'll understand what relational database management system are. Okay, a relational database management system is a common type of database that stores data in tables and is done so that it can be used in relation to other data sets available to us. Okay, examples of relational database management systems are Oracle database, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, which will by the way, we'll be using Microsoft SQL Server as our RDMS, and PostgreSQL. Okay, these are all very popular relational database management system. To follow up in this video series, so we'll be needing two softwares. One is the Microsoft SQL Server and the other one is the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I'll link it in the description section to both these softwares so that you can download it in your system and follow this series as well. So we have opened up Google. We'll write Microsoft SQL Server. I've already searched it before, so that was a recommendation. Then we go to the SQL Server downloads by Microsoft, click on it and go down to this Express Edition, right? You click on download now and the software will start downloading. Okay, for the second application, which is Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, you write that down in Google, click on the first link and then scroll it down to this download SSMS. So if you click on this link, the download should start happening. Okay, so once we have downloaded and installed the two softwares into our system, we are all set up and ready to go into the further videos. I think that this is it for this video. In the coming videos we will see how to create a database, how to create a table, insert data into table, and all sorts of queries, right? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and your support really encourages me to carry on and make much better content. So thank you and I'll see you soon.